Alright guys, don't trade Forex because you see others making money. You'll be getting it wrong. Or don't trade Forex because you want to double your money. That will put you under pressure, and trust me, you will lose that money. Don't trade Forex because you see on the internet a lot of people make money. You're carried away with what you see on the internet. No. Treat Forex as a business. But before you trade Forex, you have to acquire the required skills, like knowing the right time to get into the market and the right time to get off the market. Then risk management is also another factor. These are things you need to know before you trade the Forex market. You don't trade Forex with your school fees. You don't trade Forex with your house rent. You don't trade Forex with your children's school fees. You don't trade Forex with vital funds that are very important for bills. You trade Forex with funds you can risk. Definitely, life is all about risk, but there are calculated risks, there are risks you can manage. You trade Forex with funds you know that you can let go a part of your capital, like I want to lose this part of my capital in case the market goes against me. So you don't trade Forex with vital funds that are very important for you and your family. No. And secondly, you don't borrow funds to trade Forex. No. You trade Forex with funds that you know you have kept aside, like you're ready to use these funds. You must be prepared before you start trading Forex. One, you gather the skills, the knowledge, and two, you put up funds together you're ready to risk, because Forex involves risk. But as it involves risk, you can also manage the risks. That's where education comes to play. So don't allow anyone deceive you trading Forex like it's easy, you can get in and make money and double your capital. No, Forex is not a Ponzi scheme. Forex is not a money doubling scheme. No, Forex is a business and it requires knowledge and it requires the skill. You see me a lot of times, I make profit, and you see me a lot of times, I make losses too. So I say every Forex trader loses funds, but the ability to make more profit makes you profitable. And thirdly, if you want to trade the Forex market, you need a mentor and you need a community. If you can't join a profitable community, then you look for a mentor. And those services are being rendered on the probabafx.net platform. You can go on the website probabafx.net. You can see the services there. Do you want the online academy? You subscribe to it. You want a mentor like me to coach you one-on-one and teach you the rudiments and the way you can be profitable in the Forex market? You go for that. Then, do you want a Forex trading robot? That's to say, you don't have time to trade the Forex market, because the Forex market requires time and attention. You can't be cooking and be trading. You can't be sewing and be trading. You can't be swimming and be trading. You can't be doing stuffs, leaving your trade. You have to watch it. You have to supervise your trade. So that's the reason why I say Forex trading requires time and attention. But for those who don't have that time, you're busy with your work, you can get the trading robot. The Forex trading robot will help you trade, open up trades, close trades, dropping your profit for you as the day goes. All what you need to do is you open up your phone or your laptop, wherever your account is logged on to, check how much the robot has made. The robot has what we call risk management. That's to say, when you get here, if I'm losing 5%, take me off the market. All those configurations are in the robot. Like I said, Forex requires time and attention. With all these points being said, you can become profitable. One, don't trade Forex with a mindset of doubling your money. Two, don't trade Forex because others are making money. Three, if you want to trade Forex, you have to get a mentor or you get a trading community. Then, don't trade Forex with funds that are vital. School fees, house rent, funds for bills. Don't trade Forex with that. Trade Forex with the funds you're ready to risk. That's to say, if you have a 10 million naira, you're ready to risk 1 million. That's fair enough. Forex involves risk, and for you to apply your skill, you need risk management. With all this being said, you can join a profitable Forex trading community. Log on to the website probabafx.net and get your preferred service which you would want: mentorship, online trading, the robot, and perhaps a one-on-one mentorship with me. I'm not forgetting to tell you, I wrote a book on Forex trading titled Becoming a Profitable Forex Trader. You might not want anyone to teach you. That book is a blueprint. Getting that book on Amazon or on my website is a great deal for you. You can learn Forex trading with that book. Also, good news, do you reside in Abuja? On the 25th of March, being Saturday, I'll be in Abuja for the probabafx Trading Summit 2.0. In that event, you learn, you connect, and you succeed in the financial market. A whole lot will be learned about the financial market in a whole. I don't think you want to miss that summit. Are you in Abuja? Get ready. Do you want to reserve a seat for yourself for that event? Hit the number on the screen and send a text, "I need a seat," and that will be done. What are you waiting for, Abuja? Let's milk it.